In this video, you learn how to create a simple building block using settings and preferences, design shortcuts, 2D sketches, extrude, rectangular patterns, fillet, appearance. I work with design shortcuts to speed you up. You will find all the options I use in the toolbar and in the toolbar drop-down menus. Let's get started. Hit the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S and save your project. If you prefer to mirror my settings, use the design shortcut S and change active units to millimeters. Set your visual style to shaded. Set environment to River Rubicon. Turn on layout grid and snap to grid. Turn on all effects except environment Doom. Press S to open design shortcuts and type new component. Name your component and press OK. Components are important to you. They keep your digital assets such as sketches, bodies and timeline organized. You will learn more about components in coming episodes in this playlist. Press S on your keyboard. Start typing sketch and press enter. Select your construction plane. A construction plane is a place where you can sketch. Your view is automatically reoriented to match your choice. Open design shortcuts and start typing rectangle. Use the arrows on your keyboard and press enter to confirm your choice of the center rectangle. Drag out your rectangle. Add a dimension in the box and press the tab key to lock the dimension and jump to the other data input box. Press E, the keyboard shortcut for extrude, add a height and confirm your choice. A body appears in your browser. Open a new sketch and select your body as sketch plane. Press C, the keyboard shortcut for circle. Press anywhere on your sketch plane and give your sketch a dimension. Press D, keyboard shortcut for dimension, and add constraints. Think of constraints like rules for your design. I am now establishing rules that dictate how far from the edges my circle should be placed. You want to place another circle at the opposite spot, and you want to be fast and accurate. Press L, the keyboard shortcut for line, and press X, the keyboard shortcut for construction line, to create a line in the middle of our model that aids our modeling but isn't part of our design. Search for mirror in the design shortcuts. Notice the two options. Select the thinner bottom one designed for sketches. The upper one is designed for bodies. Select the circle and use your construction line as mirror line. Your next step is to create identical circles. It would be a waste of time. It would increase the risk of irregular design patterns and lower quality if you create manual circles. Therefore, you will search for a rectangular pattern in the sketch shortcuts. Just with other design shortcuts, the upper choice is for bodies and the lower choice is for sketches. Select your circles. Use the arrow to change path direction, set distribution to extent, increase the quantity if it matches your design, and type your distance. I write -8 as distance. Since my side is 100 mm, my circle has a diameter of 10 mm and my circle is placed 10 mm from the boundary. You can use the keyboard shortcut D to confirm that your pattern dimension matches your left side. Press keyboard shortcut E for extrude and extrude your circles. Confirm with Enter key. Use the view cube to reorient your design so you can do a quick visual check. Use the shell command to remove parts from your design. Press your mouse wheel while holding Shift to reorient your view. Press the bottom of your design and type your choice. Confirm with Enter. You're going to complete the bottom of your building block. Create a sketch plane inside the bottom of your design and use the keyboard shortcut C to create a circle in the middle of your design. Create 2 more circles at equal distance. Use a rectangular pattern for speed and accuracy. Make sure that you choose the lower option designed for sketches. Unlike the last time, you will choose symmetric and create your rectangular pattern in 2 directions. Confirm with Enter. Press E, the keyboard shortcut for extrude, and select your circles. Press the outside of your borderless boundary to get that distance. Then remove 2 mm so you don't go all the way. Use the view cube and the orbit function for a quick visual review. You want to give your design a softer look. Search for the fillet tool and select all edges. Use the Orbit tool to get access to edges at the bottom of your design. Give your fillet a small, discrete distance. Press A, the keyboard shortcut for appearance, search for a color, download it with the arrow and drag it onto your design. Use the escape key to close the appearance menu. Turn off your layout grid and enjoy your work. Well done. Follow my playlist and subscribe to the channel and get free access to coming tutorials. We'll cover 3D modeling, 3D printing, sheet metal design, woodworking and more. See you soon again. Thank you.